castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur.
This humble oil derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant has been used for centuries, with its origins tracing back to ancient Egypt. Castor oil is a versatile remedy often used for its powerful laxative effects and as a natural moisturizer for skin and hair. But the potential of this oil extends far beyond these common applications. Unbeknownst to many, castor oil has some surprising benefits that are not widely known. Firstly, let's talk about how castor oil can help with breast lumps.
Now, we had a doctor do our program, and she'd rung me up and she said to me, "Barbara, can you help me? I've got a lump in my breast. It's 3 centimeters. I said, "It's important that you go on the hormone balancing cream, buy some of those little panty liners, put castor oil on it and just slip it into your bra over the lump." A month later, she said, "An amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimeters. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, "You know, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimeters. Now it's only 2.
This thick, viscous oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to the presence of a unique compound called ricinoleic acid. This acid works wonders in reducing inflammation and pain, making it a potential aid for those dealing with breast lumps. One of the key ways castor oil helps is by promoting lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system is like the body's internal waste disposal system, helping to remove toxins and fluids from tissues. By enhancing this process, castor oil may aid in the reduction of lump size, offering a natural method to manage such health concerns. Moreover, castor oil also improves blood circulation. An increased blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the affected area, further supporting the body's natural healing processes. This in turn could lead to a decrease in lump size over time, providing more comfort and relief. In addition to these internal benefits, castor oil also has external advantages. It is a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin healthy and reducing irritation. To make use of these benefits, simply warm the oil, apply it to the affected area and cover it with a cloth or plastic wrap. Then, apply heat for 30 to 60 minutes daily. This method allows the oil to penetrate the skin and offer its beneficial properties. Moving on, let's discuss how castor oil can heal various problems in the abdomen.
Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. That will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if the person has bad diarrhea.
The secret lies in its unique composition and effects. Castor oil contains a fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid, which boasts strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These properties play a crucial role in reducing pain and inflammation caused by fibroids and ovarian cysts. Imagine the comfort of a warm castor oil pack soothing the tender abdomen, improving blood circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. Over time, these effects might even decrease fibroid size and dissolve ovarian cysts. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk about the gastrointestinal tract. Castor oil has been used for centuries as an effective stimulant laxative. It works by promoting bowel movements, which can be a godsend when you're dealing with the discomfort of constipation. It stimulates those stubborn intestinal contractions, encouraging your body to do what it does naturally, only more efficiently. And when it comes to diarrhea, the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil may help soothe an irritated intestinal lining, providing welcome relief. It's like a gentle natural balm for your insides. Next up, we have the use of castor oil for dealing with bone spurs on the knee.
After doing our program, it's 2 years now, and both 2 tumours have totally gone. Her oncologist can't believe it. And she was doing also the castor oil compresses on the knees for her bone spurs on her knees. She said after, I think it was 6 weeks, they'd gone down by half. And she noticed a month later, they were gone.
Bone spurs or osteophytes are bony projections that can cause considerable discomfort and inflammation. Imagine having a sharp, pointed fragment of bone jutting out and scraping against soft tissues, muscles, or even other bones. Sounds painful, doesn't it? Well, this is where our humble castor oil steps in to save the day. Castor oil, you see, is rich in a specific fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This acid is revered for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. When you apply a warm compress soaked in castor oil to the area affected by a bone spur, something quite marvelous happens. The warmth of the compress allows the skin to open up its pores, letting the ricinoleic acid seep in. Once inside, this acid gets to work, reducing swelling and alleviating the associated pain. But that's not all. Castor oil also has a bit of a reputation for enhancing circulation in the areas to which it is applied. Now, why is that important? Well, better circulation means that more blood is reaching the affected area, carrying with it oxygen and vital nutrients, which can aid in recovery. Additionally, the improved circulation helps to remove toxins from the area, reducing stiffness and improving joint mobility. Regular use of castor oil compresses can soften the tissues around the bone spur. Over time, this can reduce the calcification associated with bone spurs, offering gradual relief from the symptoms. And while castor oil may not be a magic potion that makes bone spurs disappear overnight, it certainly offers a natural, non-invasive method to manage the pain and inflammation, especially when used in conjunction with other medical treatments. So there you have it. Castor oil, a simple, natural product, providing relief and comfort to those suffering from bone spurs. Lastly, let's explore how castor oil can be used to treat brain tumors.
So the castor oil, I've also seen it help people with brain tumours. And what they do is they put it on the area. Remember, it'll penetrate very, very deep, break up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions.
Brain tumors are a serious medical condition that require immediate attention and treatment. Conventional treatments include surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy. However, some individuals seek complementary therapies to support these treatments or alleviate symptoms, and that's where castor oil comes into play. The theory behind the use of castor oil for brain tumors revolves around its unique ability to enhance circulation and lymphatic drainage. The concept is that by improving these two critical bodily functions, it's possible to potentially reduce the size of the tumor and relieve associated symptoms. But how does this work exactly? Well, castor oil is rich in a compound called ricinoleic acid. This potent fatty acid is known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When a castor oil compress is applied, it's believed that the ricinoleic acid can penetrate the skin and tissues, reaching the affected areas. By doing so, it could improve blood flow in the area surrounding the tumor. This enhanced circulation is vital, as it can help in the removal of toxins and waste products that might otherwise accumulate around the tumor. Furthermore, with increased blood flow comes an increased delivery of oxygen and nutrients. These are essential for maintaining healthy brain tissues and supporting the body's natural healing processes. Now that we know the benefits, let's discuss how to prepare and use castor oil compresses. First off, you'll need a few items: cold-pressed castor oil, a piece of wool or cotton flannel, a plastic wrap or bag, a hot water bottle or heating pad, and a large towel. Begin by saturating the flannel in castor oil. You want it soaked but not dripping. Next, place the oil-soaked flannel on the affected area. This could be your breast, abdomen, knee, or even your head, depending on what you're treating. Now, cover the flannel with your plastic wrap or bag. This acts as a barrier to prevent the oil from staining your clothes or bedding. On top of the plastic, place your hot water bottle or heating pad. The heat is key as it helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin and tissues. Cover everything with a large towel to hold the heat in and prevent any oil from escaping. Relax and let the compress do its work. This is your time to rest and rejuvenate, so make the most of it. The duration of application can vary, but generally it's recommended to leave the compress on for about 30 to 60 minutes. This allows ample time for the castor oil to penetrate and work its magic. Once your time is up, remove the compress and clean the area with warm water and a mild soap. The castor oil can leave a sticky residue, so you'll want to make sure you clean it off thoroughly. This process can be repeated 3 to 4 times a week. With these steps, you can harness the unusual benefits of castor oil right at home.